Let's see about the project diabetes disease prediction using feed-forward and radial basis algorithm. Abstract. Diabetes occurs when the body is unable to proceed or respond properly to insulin which needed to reduce glucose. To find out the level of the patient, according to the diabetes, there are 6 main features as age, time, body mass, pressure, plasma, pre-degree, and each room. The age should be more than 23 and time duration should be more than 23, and the body mass should be 18.5, and the body pressure should be between 60 to 80, and plasma should be in less than 110, and pre-degree should be in 0.5, and H room should be in 150 to 170. These are the basic law to find out the diabetes position of the patient. We have find out the position of the patient using 2 algorithms. The first one is feed-forward algorithm and the next is radial basis algorithm. Feed-forward algorithm contains multiple input and multiple hidden layer but one output layer. In the same way, radial basis contains multiple input and single hidden layer and single output. In the previous system, maintaining the detail of the patient is in the previous system, the detail of the patient only has been entered. The position of the patient cannot be calculated, and in which position they are weakening and lacking cannot be defined. In the proposed system, the result of a patient has been executed whether they are in normal position or weak position. The normal position contains that they are in good level of diabetes. They are not affected with diabetes. If they are weak, it can be found by the chart. The chart shows that whether the patient is lacking in which area. Let's see the flow of a project. This is the collaboration diagram. When the user acquire in the dataset will be in text format. It can be extract using this acquiring dataset, and the user will register his detail, and next he will log in. After login, the user entry will be entered. The user registration will register only the detail of the patient, login detail of the patient, but in the user entry, a full detail of the patient like age, body mass, blood pressure, pre-degree will be entered. Next, the detail of a patient will be executed in both feed-forward and radial basis algorithm. The result will be compared in the flow chart. This is the data flow diagram. While the process started, the data set will be acquired, and then the new user entry will be entered, and then the user will be logging. After login, the detail of the user will be entered, and the detail of the patient will be compared with both feed forward and radial basis algorithm. This is the class diagram of our project, and this is the activity diagram of our project. This is the use case diagram of our project. That's all. Thank you. Let's see the demo of our project. This is the first form of our project. To find the diabetes position of the patient, this project is very useful to find out the diabetes position of a patient. This form is used to extract more than 20,000 records into the database. For example, the data sets are in this format. We can extract them and store them into the database using this form by selecting the file, and now the dataset will be inserted. If there is any new user, we should enter the detail. For example, enter the phone number, address and date of birth. And the country. Insert the record to store in the database. This form is used to find out the current position of the patient, whether he is lacking or he is in better position of diabetes. By selecting the ID, we can insert the record. If we select the ID, the username and the phone number will be displayed of the patient. We should enter the detail of the patient. There are 8 attributes to find out the diabetes position of the patient. Time practice, plasma, serum, body mass, 3-degree, tricks, and DBS. We should enter the save record. We can find the position using the graph. We can find the position of the patient using feed-forward algorithm. Feed-forward algorithm is contained that multiple input and single hidden layer and one output layer. In that way we can find the diabetes. We have entered 8 inputs, one hidden layer to calculate the diabetes position of the patient, and the output will be generated in chart and a single. This shows the position of the patient. He is lacking in health. We can find the position of the patient using radial basis algorithm also. Radial basis algorithm contains multiple input layer, multiple hidden layer and a single output. In that way we can find the patient in which position he is best. This chart shows that he is in better condition in the 3rd, 5th, 7th and 8th position. The invalid, it shows where the patient is lacking. In the 3rd and 5th position he is lacking. Like this we can find out the position of the patient. That's all. Thank you.